Here we're going to use the gauge block, same position as before, and it doesn't matter which side you use, and push the fence and wood assembly up against it so that the gauge block is touching the templates. This controls how much of the wood overhangs and squares everything up. When you get it where it belongs, press the center bar down and tighten the knobs securely. Now, remove your gauge block and remember to use your safety equipment. It's going to automatically cut the proper depth because we still have our router bit height set from the previous step. You should not have to adjust any height of the router bit. Wearing the proper safety equipment, begin to route and go slowly. We don't want to trap the router bit and have excessive chatter. Blow the dust away and go over the joint again. You may have to go over the joint several times before you no longer get any shavings. You cannot cut too much, but it is important to go slowly. Keep the jig pressed flat on the table. If you raise it up, it could slip over the bushing and damage the templates. Now you don't have to do it turned away from you like this. You can turn the jig around to where you can watch what you're doing. In fact, that's how most people would do it. For the purposes of this video, we cut it the opposite direction so that you can see the operation in place. You can usually tell by the sound when you're finished. You might have to wiggle depending on the joint that you're cutting to remove the center material. When you're done, carefully shut off the router and inspect the material to make sure that you have a uniform overhang, and I'll zoom in on that. And once we see that uniform overhang all the way around, we know we're ready to go. Next, we're going to fit the joint together.